What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ironclad Marketing Minute. My name is Ben Riccardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and today we are talking about SEO versus pay-per-click and what is going to be a better channel for you to bring in leads for your restoration business. Well, when it comes to choosing between pay-per-click and SEO, I'd like to say, let's use them both. Now, we're going to switch our mentality a little bit. We're going to talk about SEO like a garden. SEO is a garden that you need to grow to bring in leads for your business. Now, gardens still take an investment of a lot of time, a lot of resources, and a lot of energy, but at some point, those gardens will bear fruit, and you will be able to get leads from the organic search section, which is a direct result of search engine optimization, or SEO. Now, while you're waiting for your garden to grow, you still need to keep your trucks on the road. So that's why we like to call pay-per-click the grocery store of leads. So while you're waiting for your organic search portfolio to grow and those organic traffic sessions to come into your website, you can utilize Google Ads through their pay-per-click or LSA program to bring in leads for your business while you wait for your garden to grow. Now, organic search and SEO is the most sustainable in the long run when it comes to budgeting. Pay-per-click requires a constant investment in ad spend and budgeting to manage those ads, whereas at some point, your organic search and your portfolio, you building your keywords to the first page of Google, is going to pay off tenfold. So while you're waiting for your garden to grow in SEO, look into utilizing pay-per-click and LSA to bring in those leads at the grocery store so you can make sure that you're keeping your trucks on the road and you have a perpetual pipeline of leads coming into your business. That's it for today. We'll talk to you next time.